tracking work restarts at Davolim. Locals stop it. Huge police presence. Bicholim municipality staff have not got salaries for the past 7 months. Protest held by the opposition Congress.
Hello and welcome. I'm Prajwal Desai. Now the news in detail. Once again, the high voltage drama was witnessed on Wednesday at Davolim as the work of double tracking has restarted. Locals came out to stop the work near the railway crossing at Davolim to stop the double tracking work. Heavy police force was deployed on the site.
On Wednesday, locals came out in protest to stop the double tracking work that had restarted amidst heavy police bandobast. Heavy police force was deployed to control the situation. For few hours, the work stopped, but later the work resumed under police vigilance.
पूण जेन्ना आमी लोक येवपा पयलीं हिंगा लोकांकून चड पुलीस आशिल्ले आनी लोकांक तेमी आमकां रोड पासून क्रॉस करून दिवना त्या दिसाक राती कडेन सो आमी जायतो लोक येयल्लो तरी पूण पुलिसेन मातशें आमकां प्रेशरायज केलें आनी कलेक्टर बी येयलो तेका जेन्ना आमी विचारलें अरे बाबा सेंट्रलान परमिशन दिलें ना जाल्यार तुमी कितें कोण अलॉट केलें परमिशन हें काम करपाक तेणें कांयच आन्सर दिलें ना आनी ते पळोवन गेले त्या दिसाक 9 तारखेक आनी काम जावपाना म्हणून सांगिल्लें आनी आतां अकस्मात काम परत चालू जाल्लें हा आमगे चर्ची कडल्यान एक रोड वयता तो रोड टोटली सारको पेडे केला तेमी गाडी व्हरून आनी होवूय रोड आख्खो धूल जावन हे सायडीनूय बी प्रॉब्लेम जाता सो आमकां डबल ट्रॅकिंग आनी गोंयांक कोळसो नाका म्हण आमी झगडो दिलाय गोंयकार आनी गोंयकारांक फुडाराक जायतो माल लागपा आनी सगल्यांक खबर आहा की एकूच आमकां जीव आमगे सांबाळपाक म्हूण तें नितळ आनी बरो वारो हो फ्री देवान दिल्लें आमकां जरी तर फाल्यां कोळसो जरी तर आमी भितर गेलो आमगे कुडीन जाल्यार कितें जातलें सो हें चिंतपाक जाय आमी हें काम परत स्टार्ट करपाक दिवपा नाय तेका लागून आयज आमगेलो लोक दवरलेचो हिंग येयला
आनी काम बंद केलां
कित्याक आमकां डबल ट्रॅकिंग नाका ते म्हणटाय आनी डबल ट्रॅकिंगूच न्हू तेंगेले आनी मार्किंग आहा डबल ट्रॅकिंग जावन ते सायडीन 30 मिटर्स हे सायडीन 30 मिटर्स आपल्यागे लुगार म्हणटाय ते
याद गायला 3 वर्सां तर जालां आसतलें सगळें पाड गायलेलें तेमी आतां सांगनासतना गायला मागीर थंय सडनली चोपा येयला म्हणटोच मागीर ते शेत रोवपा मेळना न्हू मागीर कितको काडलें ते बॉब मारल्या पासून
पूण तुमी शेत दिलें ना विकलें
ना विकतें कोण दिलें ना हिंगा शेत आनी आज सुद्दां रोयलें ते चोरोवपा मेळ थिंगसान रोयलां एश कोन्न केल्लें आनी ते शेत रोवपा मेळटाय
आज हांगी एकट्यान कितें जालें तुमी
आमचे ते रेल्वे ट्रॅक बसयले म्हूण जालें तेंकां काल सांगलोलें काम बंद कोराय म्हूण काल सांगून ते आयज वयले न्ही जबरदस्ती केला होता रेड शर्ट घालना हा तो हेंग घेवन येयला लेबरांक घेवन येयला आपल्यागे
We have the right to see when we asked him for the documents जेन्ना आमी तांकां डॉक्युमेंट्स मागले तो आमकां सांगता तूं कोण विचारूंक आमकां डॉक्युमेंट खंयचे म्हणून तुमची नांवां दी म्हूण सांगता That's the time I told him we have already given, our organization has already given names to the deputy collector to forward the message to the collector, but till date we have not received any call.
भायर बी वचपाक कितें थ्रेटनिंग
आनी मागीर तो सांगता आमकां तुमी भायर वचता तुमकां भायर वचपाक दिवपा ना तुमचेर पोटार येतले आमी बिहारचो फोर्स हारून तुमकां काबार करतले व्हडली आनी गाडयो बी सवून तो गेला DYSP. We have recording, we have proof, we have recorded, and on the contrary, he's telling us we are going to confiscate your mobile and we are going to put you all behind bars. Only threat दिवन गेला तो आमकां. We have the record.
मागीर तुमी भितरली असली हें दिल्यार
we are Goans and this land belongs to us. Why we should get scared? We are the government. We have elected this representative, but now today they are hiding in their house. They are not here with us. They are not with the people. We have forward message. We were live on social media saying that come and support us, but just a few of them are here. And on the contrary, this police force is giving us threat. They are trying to push us. One of the police officials were pushing us. I said, can you please give us time to get down? Wasat hingache. Ashe kon namka threaten kota.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Davolim.
Why do we need an ISL in Goa if it is not benefiting any Goan is a question that the Congress has been asking recently. On Wednesday evening, the party held a protest at Verna Nagawa and stopped an ongoing practice session. The Congress party alleged that no Goans are getting business or benefiting due to ISL when the entire league is being held in Goa. Here's more.
The Indian Super League is all set to kick off in the next 2 days, but just before it could start, the league has got mere into controversy. On Wednesday evening, the Congress did not allow the Mumbai City FC practice to start at the Nagwa ground in South Goa. The Congress said that they are not against any team, any particular player, but they are protesting against the league organizers for not giving any business to the local communities and especially the Goans when the entire tournament is being hosted in Goa. Listen in.
हरियाणासून हाडलेले आसा, केरळासून हाडलेले आसा, सगळो भायलो स्टाफ हाडलेलो आसा. अरे गोंयान तुमी मॅचीस करता, आख्यो मॅचीस तुमची गोंयान जातली. ह्यान पयलीं जेन्ना गोंयान जाताले, जेन्ना आमचे FC गोवा ऑर्गनायज करताले, डेम्पो आनी साळगांवकर ऑर्गनायज करताले, सगळो बिझनस गोंयकारांक मेळटालो. हे आतां कोणाक तरी एक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आसा DNA म्हणून बेंगलोरचो, ताका दिल्लेले आसा आनी तेणेन कितें केलां, सगळे भायरसून हाडलेले आसा. अरे आमच्या मातयेचेर खेळटा, गोंयच्या मातयेचेर तुमी खेळटा आनी धंदो तुमी भायल्या लोकांक दिता. हेजेर आमी तांकां 4 दिसाचो टायम दिल्लो, कितें परत बिझनस आसा तो गोंयकारांक मेळचो म्हणून जनरेटरच्या पोतान सावंड सिस्टम सगळे गोंयकारांक. बट तेंच्यांनी अजून पर्यंत दुर्लक्ष केल्लेलें आसा. तेज्या लागून आयज आमी हांगा नागोवा ग्रावंडाचेर येयला. थंय मुंबय सिटी खेळपाचे आसलेले प्रॅक्टीस मॅचीक तांकां बस आमी आडोवन दवरलेली आसा आनी तेंच्या मॅनेजमेंटाक आपोवपाक लायलेले आसा. कित्याक फक्त आमकां मॅनेजमेंटा कडसून कळोंक जाय बाबा जे तुमी धंदो तुमी भायरसून हाडलेलो आसा तो गोंयकारांक तुमी दितले काय ना.
अरे गोंयकारां खातीर समज मेळना जाल्यार कोणा खातीरच न्ही. हां ह्यो सादी गोश्टी तुमी हे आमी सांगप न्ही, आमी नजरे आड दिवप न्ही. हे मुख्यमंत्र्याक कळपाक जाय आसलें. त्या स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर तो तकलेन कितें सांगता गांवांत तकय नासलो स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर मेळ्ळा आमकां आनी तो डायरेक्टर मेळ्ळा. ह्या लोकांनी कितें करपाक जाय आसलें. आज गोंयकार पॅन्डेमीक टायमार 7 म्हयने बेकार आसात. जे कितले वेळ टॅक्सीवाले जावं बाकीचे कोण ऑपरेटर्स आसात ते सगळे बेकार आसात. 7 म्हयने कशें सर्व जाला खबर आसा, ते देवा बरें खबर आसा. पण ह्या टायमार तुमचें कर्तव्य आसलें
किंवा बाकीचो जो कितें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आनी जे लॉजिस्टिक्स लागता हे हांगा गोंयकारांक एम्प्लॉयमेंट मेळपा जाय. पॅन्डेमीक टायम्साक लागून गोंयकारांची परिस्थिती बिकट जाल्ली आसा. टॅक्सी टुरिझम काबार जाल्ल्या कारणान टॅक्सी बिझनस सोंपला, बसींचो धंदो काबार जाल्लो आसा. आनी अशा परिस्थितीन हांगा जर टॅक्सी आनी बसी जर भायल्यान येवपाक लागल्यो आनी गोंयकारांक जर धंदो मेळना जालो जाल्यार ह्यो ISL गोंयांत कित्याक जाय. आमकां ISL बद्दल विरोध ना, हांव परत क्लियर करता. फुटबॉल मॅचिसांकूय विरोध ना, कित्याक गोंयान मॅक्झिमम फुटबॉल प्रेमी आसा हे गोंयान आसा. फुटबॉल मॅचीस जावपा जाय, ISLूय जावपा जाय. पूण हे जे सरकारान कमिशन खावपाक लागून जे भायल्या लोकांक हाडून हांगा जे हांगा कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट दिल्ले आसा पळय हे ताबडतोब हे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट टर्मिनेट जावपा जाय.
आमी गोंयकार शांतीप्रिय गोंयकार, आमकां शिस्त आसा, आमकां डिसिप्लीन आसा. पूण हे आमकां कित्याक करचें पडटा तर गोंयकाराचेर अन्याय जाला म्हणून आमकां हें करचें पडटा. आयज ह्या गाडयेन जे आमी धांवडोवन घातल्या UPची बस, त्या गाडयेन आमचे गोंयकारूय मुंबय सिटीक खेळटा ते गोंयकारूय प्लेयर आसा. पण आमी जे धांवडोवन घातल्या ते प्रतिकात्मक आमी ही गाडी धांवडोवन घातलेली आसा. आमकां फुटबॉलाचो विरोध ना, आमकां ISLाचोय विरोध ना, आमकां ह्या टुर्नामेंटाकूय विरोध ना. आमचो विरोध आसा तो ही जी सिस्टम तेंच्यांनी लागू केल्या, सगळो धंदो भायल्यांक दिला, त्या सिस्टमीक आमचो विरोध आसा.
It's Hiro Mahale for Goa 365 in Verna.
It's a year for the coronavirus outbreak. Till date, worldwide, more than 1 million people have died. The only option seems to be a vaccine. The world has been eagerly waiting for a vaccine, and now we could possibly get a vaccine as early as December or January.
In global vaccine race, US pharma giants Pfizer and Moderna are the front runners. They have shown positive results in fighting the virus in their late stage trials. Initial data says Pfizer's vaccine has shown more than 90% efficiency in preventing coronavirus, while Moderna has claimed that its experimental vaccine was 94.5% effective based on interim data from a late-stage clinical trial. Both are mRNA vaccine generated through spike protein of coronavirus. Cells reads information in mRNA sequence to produce million copies of spike protein. Protein fragments triggers immune system to create protective antibodies. European Union has ordered 200 million doses of Pfizer, 150 million doses of Moderna vaccine. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Porvorim locals on Wednesday marched to the Public Work Department's office at Porvorim, demanding solution for the vexed issue of the acute water shortage faced by the constituency during last 1.5 years. The people carried empty vessels with them, symbolically to show how the taps have run completely dry in their constituency, forcing them to buy water from the tanker mafia.
MLA Rohan Khaunte pointed out that an influential tanker mafia was the reason behind the artificial shortage of water to Porvorim constituency. He said that he had been buying water to the people of the constituency personally. He said that PWD tankers which were supplying water to the people have stopped doing so, citing some SOP issued by the government. The MLA alleged that the water has been smuggled to 5-star hotels, leaving citizens in dire straits.
बिल्डिंग दिवपाक तुका उदक खंय आसा ती बिल्डिंग पळय उल्हास आसा ती उल्हास बाबा ती बिल्डिंग प्रतिभा रावता ती बिल्डिंग 10 वर्सां उदकाचो प्रॉब्लेम आसा तुमकां सादो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करपाक जायना आमी तुमचे कडेन लास्ट 3 वर्सां बरोबर रावन वी आर ट्रायिंग टू सॉल्व युअर प्रॉब्लेम्स यू ऑल आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड यू ऑल आर टेकिंग इट फॉर ग्रांटेड रदर हेल्पिंग यू ऑल आमदार आणि सरपंच आणि झेडपी डेली टँकरच्या धंद्यान ना उदकाच्या धंद्यान ना तुम्ही उदकाक बसला म्हणून हांगा बसल्यात तुम्ही आमकां कामाक लायता We are ready to help as long as you are ready to help our people. No problem. अरे ह्या 2 वर्सां पयलीं उदीक कशें येताले रेग्युलर येताले तेन्ना रोहन एमएलए सर मिनिस्टर आसलो तेन्ना आता कितें आलो प्रॉब्लेम आता प्रॉब्लेम कितें आसा पॉलिटिक्स उदकाकडे खेळपाची गरज ना आणि पिवपाची तुमकां गरज आसा ह्याच पयलीं उदीक कशें येताले आता कितें आलो प्रॉब्लेम जेन्ना भाई मिनिस्टर आता कित्याक चालू झाले काड्यो सांगू नाका आमकां पयलीं उदीक लायटी दिया उदीक सारकें दिया लोकांक पावस पडोंक ना रे हांव कितलो कितें काड्यो सांगताले डेली Edwin, every 15 minutes people will increase. Don't allow the situation to go out of hand. I'm keeping again and again I'm telling you. But everything is a gimmick to fool the people of Goa at all times. People of Goa have taken it enough. मोले मादय सगळे विकून जाले आज उदक विकपाक काडिल्ले मादय दिस इज जस्ट द स्टार्ट आमचो विषय परत सांगतगर आज आनी फाल्यां उदक येता परवाच्यान परत तेच प्रॉब्लेम आज आमी फूल एंड फायनल कितें जातलें तें आमी मागपाक आयिल्ले द सी हू हेज कम हियर द मिनिस्टर कुडंट कम द PCH कुडंट कम द CA वॉज सेंट we respect the chief engineer because he's supposed to be a sincere and honest man. We are waiting. He has given us a commitment की 7 दिसाचो टाइम दी उदक इमिजिएटली सोडटा 2 टँकर एडिशनल वाडयता 4 टँकर आमी फक्त परवरीक दवरता आनी जितले लिस्ट आमी आतां मिडियाक सांगला ते सगळे बरयल्ले लिस्ट 2 महिने पयलीं एक आनी एक दिल्ले ते परत सीक दिल्ले आसा वी हॅव टोल्ड हिम टू रिव्यू इट आफ्टर 7 days all elected representatives of this constituency will come again and have a review with the CE and his team. If they fail, from next day we are locking this particular office. आता बायलां फुडें सरली कित्याक पोटान तांच्या तिडक आसा उदक ना थंय बायलांचो फोर्स आसा जाल्यार फाटल्यानच्यान PI आनी ताजो तो कॉन्स्टेबल हॅव एक्चुअली पुश द विमेन व्हिडिओ रिकॉर्डिंग आमचे कडेन आसा वी आर मेकिंग इट व्हायरल DYSP was wanting to fuse off the thing. We have not come here to make any issues. We have come here for water. Police have gone overboard by male constable hitting a lady, which is a serious charge. ते समज हे एक्शन घेना जाल्यार आमी फुडलें एक्शन आमी सगळीं बायलां घेवन CMच्या घरा वचपाक जाय काय SPच्या घरा वचपाक जाय काय खंय वचून धोरणे करपाक जाय करतले टील द टायम एक्शन ऑन दिस PI एंड दॅट कॉन्स्टेबल वेरिंग अ मास्क इज नॉट देयर आमी जेन्ना चार्ज करता एज अ इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह DYSP इज कॉलिंग फ्रॉम हियर एंड इज टेलिंग तुमी केला रे करना रे कितें तियात्रां ही तियात्रां आतां फेस्टिवल सुरू जातलेंच तेन्ना घालुया ही तियात्रां
अटेंड करिना बोरकर अटेंड करिना रायट हांव एग्री करिना नासत नितीनान केन्ना करूंक ना तुमचे
नितीन नाच नितीन पयलीं आसतालो आतां नितीन अर्दो दीस बिचोले उरता अर्दो दीस हांगा उरता अर्दो दीस उरता आसतना ताच्या हातान कांयच ना ही मे ट्राय टू प्रूव ही स्मार्ट ही इज हेल्पलेस प्रॉब्लेम इज ही हॅज अ इंटेंट टू डू ही इज हेल्पलेस एंड आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू टॉक टू हिम बिकॉज ही इज हेल्पलेस आमी उलोवंक सोदना लास्ट पयले 3 महिने काय बरें काम केलें आनी आतां कितें जालां आमी हांगा टॅक्निकल आयकूंक येवंकूच ना पण हांगा परवरी आल्ताना मेळटा उदक आल्ताना उदक मेळटा परवरी कित्याक ना मागीर परवरी कित्याक येना उदक आमी आयच्यान पळय तुमी केन्ना पुलिसी हुजीर सांगता वाड्या वयले भुरगे वील गेट इन टू पंप ऑपरेशन्स हांवूच तांकां सांगतलो टीम फॉर्म कर पंप चेंज कर आमी आल्ताना वतले आनी आल्तानाय चेंज करतले
Irsha Sheikh for Goa 365 from Porvorim.
The staff of the Bicholim Municipal Council have not been paid their salaries for the last 7 months. On Wednesday, the Congress came out in support of the workers and held a protest.
Bicholim Block Congress marched to the BMC, get out the municipal engineer Ashik Khan as the municipal administrator Vikas Gaunekar and chief officer were not available. Congress activists said that they have received a complaint from a municipal staff that they were not paid their salary. Listen in.
कोणूच ना कावन्सील डिजॉल्व जाला ते जालाच त्या भायर म्युनिसिपालिटी CEO आहा तो कितें तरी प्रॉब्लम आहा म्हणून तो ना हांगासर जो प्रशासक बसयला तो आयज ना हांगासर जो एडिशनल चार्ज कोणाक दिला CEO दिला तोय ना आनी म्युनिसिपालिटीचे जे ME आसा तेंच्या कडेन उलयता आमी तो हेचे तेचे दुसऱ्यांक बोटां दाखयता रेव्हेन्यू ना म्हणटा हांव इतलें विचारूंक सोदता इतलीं वर्सां गेली 5 वर्सां एक टर्म सोंपलो तेच्या पयलींची 5 वर्सां जाली इतलो जो रेव्हेन्यू जनरेट जालो तो खंय गेलो कोणाक म्हणलो गटार अजून उक्ताड पडला कचऱ्याची समस्या तशी आसा प्रत्येक रस्त्यांचेर खड्डे तशे आहा इतलो जो रेव्हेन्यू आयज पर्यंत म्युनिसिपालिटी गेलो खंय हांव तांकां इतलेंच विचारूंक सोदता जेन्ना लोक हांगासर येता CEOक मेळपाक जावं तो खंयच्या तरी अथॉरिटीक मेळपाक तांकां कशें कळटलें की बाबा तो आसा काय ना हांगासर म्हणून तेंचे काय नोटीस ना टायम टेबल मारलेलो ना हांगासर ह्या असल्या तरेचो गैरप्रकार हांगा बिचोले म्युनिसिपालिटीन चल्ला हांव हेंचे कडेन मागता जो प्रशासक जो कोण आहा हांगासर तेणी फाल्यांच्यान सारको टायम टेबल आपलो जो जे आसा जाल्यार आसा ना जाल्यार ना लोकांक त्रास करचे न्हू हांगासर आदी खूब त्रास जाला आनी आयज तेंचे दबावूय ना खंयच्या पार्टीचो जो किंवा खंयच्या पॉलिटिकलीचो सो तेंच्यांनी जबाबदारी हांगा
Mahesh Govekar for Goa 365 in Bicholim.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The season will be much more interesting and better for the Gors, says FC Goa's midfielder Princeton Rebello, saying that they are confident of winning. Gors will kick off their ISL 7th season with a game against Giants Bangalore FC on Sunday. Here's more.
ISL Season 7 will kick off on the 20th of November, the Friday. Speaking to Clinton D'Souza, Princeton Rebello shared his views on this upcoming season and also about their first match against Bangalore FC on Sunday at the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Fatorda. Listen in.
Yeah, like the pre-season was very good. It was very intense. Like the coach was working on a lot of technical things. And we did it, and we are working on it still. And we hopefully will get in the match. Whatever we thought, whatever we were learned, and yeah, we'll do it.
The kickoff is around the corner, just 2 to 1 day left over there for the kickoff. But however, you guys are playing on next. So how do you take this season for you, the ISL 7?
Like for me, this is an important season. Like I want to play as many matches as possible, and I want to improve myself and be there on the top soon. And like as I've said, the team is also working very hard for this season, and we hopefully will be in the top 4 and aim for the title. And we hopefully will win the title, and we will give our best.
The first match of FC Goa, you guys are going to face the Giants over there. So how do you take that match for you on a personal note?
Like for us, it is the same team like normal, like other teams. Like we will just play a normal match and give our best, as the coach also said to us. Like just play your game, and whatever we learned in the training, we will use it in the match. And yeah, we are confident, and we will hopefully win that match, and we will give our best. Like the new coach is very experienced. He knows to balance the team. He tells us to do best, and he wants us to improve, and he motivates us. And yeah, the squad is very good. It's a balanced team, like young and experienced. And even the foreigners, they are experienced as well, and they get that experience in the training. And it's like we have to learn from them and use it in the trainings. And whatever we learn in the training, we give in other match, and that is what we are hoping for this season, to improve as a team and win as a team.
We want to win as a team, improve as a team. But this year, the 12th man is not there over there. Those 12 men will not be in the stand. So how do you feel this time? You guys have to play without the 12th man. They will be there. Their support, their love will be there. But however, the presence will not be felt in the stadiums, in the stands out there. So how do you feel, or what do you want to say on that?
Like for us, it will be very difficult, because being a Goan team, and in Goa the ISL is, and without the fans it will be this for us. And yeah, as I've said, like they have always backed us, and I hope they will support us from their home, and I know they will do it. And like we will play our games at Fatorda and all, but hoping that they are there in the stands, like cheering us. But for us, like it is very awkward, like being a Goan and there are no fans in your own state. Like it will be very difficult, but yeah, they will be supporting for us. I know. Yeah, like I will say to them, just pray that we win this season and win most of the matches. And like I know you all will do it, and I know your support will make us more stronger from homes. Your messages, calls, we all reply, and the posts which FC Goa posts. We all know your support through the social media, and I know you all will support us from your home. And I pray that you all will pray for us. And yeah, thank you so much for supporting us always and being the 12th man.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, Goa365 TV, and subscribe onto our YouTube channel Goa365 TV, or download our app on Android and iPhone. Keep watching Goa365.